My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. We've just had a first large snowfall of the season. We had 22 inches recorded in our little sleepy village of Stonington in Connecticut. And as you can see here, 22 inches of snow quickly stacks up and gets in the way. My little courtyard came through the snowstorm unscathed, or at least so I think. But to me, it's remarkable that plants are able to cope with such extreme conditions. This beech hedge, still holding its leaves, it's quite normal for it to have these conditions and it grows well. The wisteria clinging to the southwest corner of my house is still thriving and doing well. It's remarkable to me that plants habitually and continually have evolved in such a way as to cope with these horrific growing conditions. The courtyard looks completely desolate, completely sleeping. There's nothing in there that's growing. But I do want to impress upon you the importance of snow. Snow has the ability to provide a very gentle supply of water to the soil over an extended period of time. If all this snow had fallen as rain, a lot of it would have washed away and be carried into the drains and gutters and moved away from the garden. But a snowfall layer, as it melts, will slowly percolate into the soil and really help with the decomposition process of organic matter that's added throughout the year. So it's a very interesting proposition that a layer of snow is actually good for your garden. Lots of bugs and bacteria will be doing their job in the soil with this layer of snow on top of them. Rather, they continue to do their job. It's not as if they stop. My greenhouse came through the snowstorm. I had to put in a second light to give me a bit more heat. Under this blue barrel is the rather sleepy banana, which I hope will come back, obviously. Now, with this much snow, our little village gets inundated. There's nowhere to park. So in came the big guns to clear out the snow and give us our road system back. So thank you for watching. Tell your friends, tell your family. Lots more soon. Spring is around the corner. Watching heavy machinery do their job is always quite mesmerizing. But there's something here I want to show you. This was taken in the afternoon, the sun was up. The automatic switch had switched off the lamps in the greenhouse, and so intense was the sun that it opened the automatic vent. It's nice when things work the way they're supposed to.